So now let's see how we can utilize Finance Wizard inside of ChatGPT. So in order to work around with the Finance Wizard, I'm going to go around onto Explore GPT right here, and let's just go around and type in Finance right here and Wizard just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then you can see that this is what I have. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can enable the Finance Wizard right here, just like this. So now what I can do is, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and type in, let's say for example, I have a salary of monthly $4,000 right here. How long before I save $1 million? Each month I deposit the money in bank, which gives me 4% interest on my savings, just like this. So if I were to go around and type this in right here, so now it'll calculate out how long it'll take to save $1 million with the deposit of monthly for $1,000 right there. So you can see that it actually goes around and then calculates out the formulas right here, just like this, and then will give me the result. So it says so it calculates out everything, as you can see right here. So now you can see that this is what you have right here. So it says approximately it'll take around 15.14 years to save $1 million with this amount, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and then utilize the Finance Wizard in order to find out finance related information right here, just like this. You can predict prices and so forth, and like a plan for budgets and so forth according to how you want with this particular plugin. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.